MeghalayaPost.news.
Myntri beripet juga Tnad Pule Puthi hapok ka Jalan Meghalaya. Urakam sangma mentakasi ulalik bang Plie ba ya ka art stream hapok ka Jirang Government High Secondary School kum kawe nagaslam ajing hikai ya khna school hapok ka Thain Western Riboy Jongka Riboy District. Hakane sngi Myntri ka Tnad Pule Puthi urakam sangma ulali ru banjurip ya ka Degree Model College hapatarkhma baru ya ka Eklavia Residential School hapok Jirang bar hading kata ulali bancimenta ban Plie ba ya ka Dek art stream hapok ka Jirang Government High Secondary School. Hakane sngi las khilang ru daga jingin donlang u MLA ka Jirang konsumsi ubak sosne soton u director ka Tnad Pule Puthi ubak VJ Karsandi kinong elam snong bat kontup ru ki khna school kinong hikai bat kipai ba nong snong nakathain Western Riboy.
It will really be a memorable day in the history of our school. 3-4 years back, we went to the education department to request government to open art stream here in our Jirang Government Higher Secondary School. But the result we got during that time is in a negative result, because government says that we have opened our streams at Pathatma, which is a few steps away only from the Jirang, so we cannot open another art stream there at Jirang. That is the answer we got during that time. So when I learned this very recently, that government has accepted our request and has allowed us to open this art stream here in Jirang also, I am really very, very happy. Because it is a pity to see that our students, 20, 25, 30 students from Jirang used to run to Pathakama and spend the least 100 rupees per day for their fare.
Kejuki sabar na kene kesnong kejuki. Tena kejingkemen apa kesaukar kalailat ya ka Jirang Government High Secondary School New Jirang na kemencaban Plie ya ka art stream kalalong kejingkemen nagamenta jungi baru iway nalayo banya kendulang badi principal badi noikai bad kiri pakmat agba kilaya penpau pensnoi giding so kemen hado kada kaca namar ba ikna school nakni area kilanang bun bat menta klayola banteng ya kajingkuli kajungki Hakene School, Jirang Government Higher Secondary School, New Jirang, Kaba, Kasaukar, Hakajing Spoon, Jong Education Minister, Isa Rakam, Isama, Ibala, Island, Egrik School, Ban Plie, Yaka, Art Stream. Kalau Kajing Kemen, Meghalaya Perikran Bati, Girang don kam sakway ka giradon ka science ka art stream but sorry long. So I'm telling to the students and the parents that as we have already discussed that in Parakma you'll be opening up this the commerce stream also. So for this also we will be very happy, sir. And the government of Meghalaya, the MDA government under the leadership of Sir Conrad Isangma, has done a lot of developmental works.
Under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, we have seen in last 4 or 5 years that we have seen many initiatives, be it a developmental project, be it a program, with a different initiative. Under dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and our dynamic leadership of your MLAs here and many of our cabinet colleagues. Friends, if we talk about the education, in last 4 or 5 years, Government of Meghalaya has established 21 number of newly people's college across the state. My dear friends, the 80% or 85% of the college situated only in Shillong for last 20-30 years. Therefore, there was a pressure in Shillong that all the colleges, institutions in the Shillong was struggling for the admission intake because the students from across the state, be it Nongpoh, be it Zawai, be it Nongsten, be it Bakmara, Tura, everybody wants to come to Shillong for higher studies because there was the courses of their desire. But today, after establishment of 21 new people college and establishment of all the stream in all the government college, now almost every district have all the stream in the higher education. Football turf playground in the country. We are building up number of playground across the state, and Meghalaya in proportion will be the highest artificial turf football ground in the country in the years to come. Because we have the potential, but we don't have the platform to showcase and to upgrade the potential of young people. Therefore, under this dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, we have seen many transformation, but it's a long way to go. Therefore, it's my request to each one of you, please pray for the government, because the peace and harmony is the need of the hour, which we hunger for many years back. But today, the overall law and order condition in the state, we are peaceful. We are so blessed today. People are enjoying coming to the state. What I want to tell my young friends today, you will be the leaders tomorrow. You will be the officers tomorrow. You will be the player tomorrow. You will be the pillar of all the governance. You will be the leader of our community tomorrow. My young friends, you will be the leader of our churches tomorrow. Therefore, make sure you inspire the society. Make sure you don't waste your precious time. For class 11's science, humanities, and also the people of Jirang, and all this credit goes to our honorable local MLA, Sostunis Sultan, because of his continuous effort and because of his committed leadership to serve the people, all things has been materialized. My dear friends, at the same time, I would like to bring the greetings from Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, and all the cabinet colleagues, and all the government officials and education department, to all of you. It is indeed a historic day for the people of this area, and especially for the Jirang Government Higher Secondary School. And it's really amazing to see the new beginnings once again. I believe it's a long way to go. However, well begins is half done. Therefore, once again, I would like to thank our honorable local MLA and all my officials of the education department for working committedly to make this happen. I'm sure the beginning of this class 11 academic for class 11 urge and already have science will be long to remember in the history of our journey for our family, for the state, for our community. Just now I was looking at the PA system operator, whether they are doing some magic, some manipulation or not. Because we have seen one of our son, a daughter, boy, he was performing so amazingly. We have seen this talent. I was amazing. It's an original or some edited version from the PA system. But look, we have seen the talent of our boys and girls. I'm sure many are happy to see such. I remember during my school time, which I personally and few of us, our schools used to start by 10 a.m. The morning assembly started by 10 a.m. but we reach school by 9 a.m. Why? It's for the one reason. Because there was a one game that we can play for 1 hour in the school. There's not the basketball, not the football, but it's just a carom. One carom board was there in my school. We don't have any other. But we're inspired. We want to play. We don't have other facilities. But just to play for 1 hour before class start, we used to come by 9 a.m. to our schools. Friends, what I'm saying today is, such campus education, campus schools, we must attract our students because this is your second home. I know you have faced a challenge. You cannot send your children to the far places for higher studies after class 11, after class 10. I know because of economic position, economic condition of certain families, we cannot send our children to Shillong, to Nongpoh, to Guwahati, here and there. But today I'm happy that many parents, our community leaders will be happy today to see that at the end of the day, we have seen this in your time.
MeghalayaPost.news